All right, so welcome to unit number 404 at Regent Century Park. Come on in. This is a one-bedroom unit. It's approximately 750 square feet. It's a one-bedroom plus you could call this a den or potentially a dining area. You've got nice granite countertops. We've also got stainless steel appliances and a double sink, which is really nice. That way it's easier to do dishes. And another thing that's really nice is you've actually got a gas stove as well. If you love to cook, you'll probably prefer a gas stove. You got much more even heating, and to get that in an apartment condo is pretty awesome. We've also got the built-in microwave that's stainless steel and the built-in stainless steel oven, as well as, of course, a dishwasher. It's also really nice to have the island like this, so you can have at least 3 or 4 bar seating spots. If you didn't want to have a setup in the den as a dining table, you could just make this work if it's just a single person or a couple relatively easily. And throughout the main area here, we've actually got tile floors, which is really nice. It's not a cheap floor, it's nice tile floors. And then moving into the living room area, we've actually got a vinyl plank flooring in here. This is an upgrade that was put in by the owners. It didn't come like this, so this floor has actually been replaced. We're looking pretty much north facing right now, and you got lots of big windows, so you can end up with quite a bit of light. They're working on putting another building here across the street, but we're so close to Century Park that you can walk right over to the LRT station and get downtown really easily without having to go park downtown and pay lots of money for your parking stalls. We've got a built-in electric fireplace, and over here we've got a nice walkout balcony. So you got decent space there. There's actually a gas line hookup down there as well. So if you wanted to have a gas barbecue, you can just connect that very easily. Okay, let's go take a look at the bedroom. So we've got a fairly decent sized bedroom here. Again, very large windows so you can bring in lots of light, but if you don't like the light, you can easily black those out and have it a lot darker in here, but it's really nice to be able to have those windows to bring in more light. And then it just sort of walks through into the bathroom. We've got some closet space on each side. And then we come into the 4-piece bathroom. So we've got a full separate tub, which is nice. It's nice and deep, a nice sized shower, as well as obviously your toilet and your vanity. And the whole bathroom is tiled. So you've got tile on the floor, you've got tile on the walls around the tub, as well as the shower. And then of course you've got the nice countertops here in the bathroom as well. Now just a couple other things. There is also in-suite laundry. So that's what we've got right over here. You've got your in-suite laundry, which is nice. And there's also built-in air conditioning. So you can control that with the thermostat, so you never are gonna get too hot during those summer months. You can keep it nice and cool in here if you want to. There's also a titled parking spot and a titled storage area as well, so that you can park underground and keep it nice and warm and cozy during those winter months and have some extra storage space for your stuff. So yeah, if you're looking for a 1-bedroom condo in the Century Park area, make sure you don't miss out on this one. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, feel free to give me a call at 780-819-5508, or you could shoot me a text at that number. You can also email me at trevor@trevortardif.com, or go to booktrevornow.com to select a time on my calendar, and I will call you. So thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.